Boom! What's up, people? My name's Jack. Welcome back to another video. We're living in the zombie apocalypse, but before we get to that, I'm Jack. I produce weekly content based around video editing, videography, and how to make money making videos. Subscribe if that sounds interesting to you today. Let me take a deep breath and recover from that long-winded introduction. But basically today we are going to be breaking down how a lot of videographers are losing work and how you can actually replace that income stream temporarily until the bookings start coming back in. And this coronavirus is affecting a lot of different people. It is definitely affecting my videographers out there. A lot of live event videographers getting their events canceled that they're meant to be filming, music videos being canceled, rappers are the first to get coronavirus, all sorts of nonsense going on. So basically, I'm going to show you how I personally, as a videographer who's had an income this reduced because of this coronavirus, is making up for it, and how you can do the same. Without further ado, let's do it. On the computer. Oh, the tangulation of the wires just kind of messed me up right there. That was nearly perfectly smooth, but the tangulation messed me up. Basically, I'm going to be talking about remote video editing. Remote video editing is when you get a job on the internet via a website like Upwork, the website I'm going to be showing you guys, which is on the screen right here, and you essentially get a client, you apply for a job, you get them, and they send you the files, you edit everything up, send it back, and they pay you over PayPal. You basically edit remotely for them. And the website I'm talking about is Upwork. Upwork.com. The link will be in the description. Basically, what you can do is you can treat this like a job board. You type in a service and it will pop up with a bunch of people asking for that service. So the service you, me, and McGee sell, I don't know why I even said that, but you and me sell video editing services, I assume, right? Or we can at least sell that if we wanted to because we have that skill. If we type in video editing onto Upwork, and by the way, I've got three tabs up here with set searches that I found good jobs. So I'm going to break those down in a second. But essentially I've just typed in video editing, and every couple minutes, look, 4 minutes ago, 3D animation job, $1,000. I require to produce high quality 60-second 3 to 4 animation videos like below in 3ds Max. Boom, boom, boom. So I'm not all about the 3D, but Pixel Expert, if you're watching this, bro, jump on that. Basically, there's loads of video editing, video production. If you type in graphic design, you can find some graphic design jobs, loads of creative jobs that you can take advantage of and make money off of in the short term or long term. We might be held up in the bunker for the next 3 months. Who knows? Ideally not. I'm back down here at my mom's house and I'm paying $1,000 a month rent up in London. So hopefully I'm not down here too long paying rent in this far distant place that's overrun by zombies. But it's very possible that we are going to be posted up for a couple months, and this is how I'm going to be making sure my money stays consistent. Now, I've done a couple searches for you guys and found some jobs. I would advise you to target the job that you have the most undeniable track record for completing. Now, for me, I'm a YouTuber. I've got a big YouTube channel. It's very obvious that I can edit YouTube videos, so I apply for YouTube video editing jobs mainly because, one, they're super simple. It's all just basic B-roll over the top, editing the top 10 video or something. Money's decent because they make money off advertisements because the channel generates ad revenue, and I can make an undeniable case for me being a good YouTube video editor. It might be music video editing, right? You might be a phenomenal music video editor. Shout out to all my music video editors because you're also filming the music videos a lot of the time as well, which means that your income has been screwed over. Now, if I scroll to the bottom, I found one interesting one 7 hours ago. If I type in music video editing, $45, creative video editor for a music video, blah, 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 blah. I'm not too sure what that contains, but 7 hours ago it was posted, right? So the point is you can find jobs for your specific niche of video editing on here 100%. Here's another example: wedding video editing, wedding videography, wedding video editing. It's arguably one of the top tier of the videography community in terms of payment. Any wedding video, what did I just say? Any wedding videographer I know is kind of swimming in the cash, same with my wedding photographers. So you guys might have stored a bunch of that cash, but you might still be wanting to continue bringing the cash flow in, and this is how you can do it. Wedding video editing, look, wedding videographer needed. So that looks like there's even still work going. Sweet, you're good. But if we scroll down, wedding video editor, $200. Need to edit a wedding video from a 3-day wedding shoot. Sounds like they just send you a shitload of footage, and bada bing, bada boom, you edit it up, you send it back to them, and they pay you. And just like that, guys, that right there is how videographers can make up for their lost income stream and basically build it up through the income internet. By the way, guys, I'm sorry, it's 8:18 a.m. So I guess I'm moving a little bit slow mentally because I've been making a couple of those little mess ups right there. And my tash is still excellent as ever, but I'm gonna go shave the tash. want to go make some money off Upwork. I hope you guys do the same. Link to Upwork is down below in the description, and the daily uploads might never stop. As long as there's Corona, there's going to be daily Jack Cole. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Peace out.